Volcanoes, nature's fiery mountains, have fascinated and terrified us for centuries. But what secrets do they hold beneath their blazing surface? Did you know that deep within the Earth's crust, a hidden world of molten rock called magma awaits its explosive release? This magma forms in the mantle just beneath the Earth's crust due to intense heat and pressure. When it rises, it can break through the surface, creating a volcanic eruption. But there's more to volcanoes than just fiery explosions. Some eruptions release massive clouds of ash and gases that can travel thousands of miles, affecting global climate. These gases, like sulfur dioxide, can reflect sunlight away from the Earth, causing temperatures to drop in a phenomenon known as volcanic winter. Volcanoes also create life. The ash and lava break down over time to form some of the most fertile soils on the planet, supporting diverse ecosystems and agriculture.